We are in lab 2.2.6 and we're going to configure Microsoft Defender. So let us start up right away. And in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause the video and walk at your own pace. I am trying to make this video as short as possible. Alright, so we'll just wait for this to load. Alright, so we are now inside the lab, so let us start up immediately. We go to a start menu, click on the start menu and go to settings. And when you get to settings, we're going to go into update and security. And inside update and security, we are going to click on Windows security. Now when Windows security pane opens up, we'll go to virus and threat protection, and then we go to quick scan. So you just wait for it to quickly scan through. Alright, so the scan is done. So let's just scroll down and see the other options we have. And okay, so we'll go to manage settings under virus and threat protection. Now let's scroll down a bit and see the options we have below. Alright, so we'll go to add or remove exclusions, and we add an exclusion. So to bring out this option, we select file and we'll go to data, we'll go to graphics rather. When graphics opens up, we'll go to cat, JPG, and graph, add an exclusion. You add process. So for the process, we are going to give the process a name, and it's going to be welcome.scr. We're gonna add. So we've just completed task 2 from the left pane, and let's go back. And we go to check for updates. And let's see, the date for the update is this here. Okay, so go ahead and check our answers. If I find, okay, let's see what are the questions available. What is the current security intelligence version? That is going to be 1.229.426.0. You can see this is from here. We'll click on check for update again, and this remains. So I took out the answers from this section right here. So you can see that this has changed again. So after the update, what is the current security intelligence version? That is going to be 1.229.508.0. So go ahead and score lab. Now, if you find this video to be helpful to you, share so that others can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.
busy with health challenges, work, or family issues? We help students handle labs, coding, quizzes, discussions, and assignments, while you focus on life. Our expert IT tutoring support helps you reduce stress and achieve A+ grades in your tech courses. Message us on WhatsApp now, +234 8122948229.